before the beginning, with a sort of choosing.
Mother.
Father.
Mama. Mommy.
Daddy. You're what? This is great. It is really great, isn't it?
I've never felt so happy.
Oh, can you feel it?
No, but I know he's there.
He. We both said he.
I know.
So what does he feel like?
He feels like himself.
You will be my mom, and you, my dad. And this is a story about us. And it takes...
40 years, 47 years, 47 years, 38 years.
That's enough. It takes 8 years, 4 months, 29 days. I see red. I hear blue. I feel purple. I taste green. I choose yellow.
It's a boy.
A beautiful boy.
My birthday, April 19th, 1979.
The nurse says he's the most beautiful child that she's ever seen.
She says that to everyone.
She's right. He's small and wise and mine.
And mine.
That's it.
What?
His name. Benjamin. It works in lots of languages. Translate. Ben.
Son.
Ja.
Yes.
Min.
Mine.
Son.
Jump in.
Mine. The story is about boats and sails and takes place in a harbor.
Far, far away.
Now, inside this harbor, there were 3 boats, a red boat, a blue boat, and a yellow boat, and they all sailed far out to sea. And the red one came back, and the blue one came back, but the yellow boat sailed straight up to the sun. There's the love of the castle, there's every gold from the harbor, so blue, the second so red, the third was the color of the sun. This one rolled with the kettle full, there sailed 3 boats from the harbor. The blue carried low, the red carried faint, the yellow filled itself with love.
I sail the blue boat.
And the red one's for me.
I am the yellow boat.
I'll leave you a sail.
I'll right your world.